Click on the link below to get discount. The Johnson Level and Tool JRT300 RDHV's self-leveling red dual-slope rotary laser system is a robust device designed to simplify leveling tasks for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This laser system stands out in a crowded market, offering a blend of accuracy, versatility, and user-friendly features that make it a worthy investment for anyone needing precise measurements. One of the most significant advantages of the JRT300 RDHVS is its self-leveling capability. Operating within a range of plus or minus 5 degrees, this feature allows the user to achieve a level line quickly and effortlessly. The system employs advanced technology to ensure that even on uneven terrain, users can set up the device and trust that it will automatically calibrate itself to provide accurate measurements. This is especially beneficial for construction sites or outdoor projects where the ground can be anything but level. This device also features a dual slope function, which allows for the projection of slope lines in both the X and Y axes. This is a game changer for contractors and landscapers who often need to set grades for drainage or landscaping projects. The ability to adjust the slope settings independently ensures that users can achieve precise angles every time, eliminating guesswork and reducing the chances of costly mistakes. Whether you're working on a driveway, a trench, or an elevation change in landscaping, this dual slope feature is both practical and efficient. Visibility is another area where the JRT300 RDHVS excels. The bright red laser beam is easily visible even in daylight conditions, making it suitable for outdoor use. The laser projects a clear line up to 800 feet in diameter with the use of a detector, which is quite impressive. The unit's visibility is a critical factor when working in environments where ambient light can be an issue. The detector included with the system enhances this visibility even further, ensuring accuracy across large distances and in various lighting conditions. Durability is a key consideration for any tool that is expected to endure the rigors of a job site. The Johnson Level and Tool rotary laser is built to withstand tough conditions, featuring a rugged exterior that is both water and dust resistant. This durability ensures that the device can handle the inevitable bumps and drops that occur on construction sites. Additionally, the included carrying case provides extra protection during transport, allowing users to take the laser anywhere without fear of damage. Setup and operation of the JRT300 RDHVS are straightforward, making it accessible even for those who may not be particularly tech-savvy. The intuitive interface includes easy-to-read LED indicators that communicate the status of the device, including battery life and leveling status. For those unfamiliar with rotary laser systems, the instruction manual is comprehensive and guides users through the setup process step by step, ensuring that even beginners can operate the device with confidence. Battery life is another important factor for any laser system, and the JRT300 RDHVS does not disappoint. With a typical battery life of up to 20 hours on a full charge, users can rely on this device for extended periods of work without the inconvenience of frequent recharging. This is particularly advantageous for larger projects that require continuous operation over several days. When it comes to versatility, the Johnson Level and Tool rotary laser system shines. It can be used for a wide range of applications, including grading, excavation, and even interior projects like installing cabinets or hanging artwork. Its adaptability makes it a valuable tool for both professionals in construction and home improvement enthusiasts tackling DIY projects. The only potential downsides to this system could be its weight and size. While it's designed to be durable, it can also be a bit bulkier than some might prefer for handheld operations. However, many users find that the benefits far outweigh this consideration. In conclusion, the Johnson Level and Tool JRT300 RDHVS self-leveling red dual-slope rotary laser system is a high-quality, reliable tool that delivers exceptional performance for a diverse range of applications. Its self-leveling feature, dual slope capabilities, visibility, and durability make it a standout choice for anyone needing precision in their leveling tasks. While